HVAC or heating and air conditioning for residential, perhaps even some commercial applications, one may find a relay something along the lines of this, a 9380. Just remember it's, or 90-380. I think it's five numbers there, 90380, 9380. So let's just see, we'll turn it over and see what the schematic says, and it says a bam, 90-380. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers there with a dash in between, but sometimes people just say 90-380 or 90-380, whichever. So it's a relay, and it's used in the HVAC industry, perhaps. So the question is, we're wondering, is this relay good? Is the relay bad? So real simple. Everything in heating and air, not everything, but many things. And one tip here, when dealing with heating and air conditioning, people have the concept of refrigerant, this and that, and yeah, those things are all important. There are so many different working parts, pressures, relays, and etc. Just think of this relay here. Basically, is this relay just kind of in a mind's eye? Just think of this as your light switch on your wall. This is not true, but it's a fictitious analogy. But the relay works on and off. The light switch, we go over there and manually put it either on or off. I think it may be, I'm not sure if it's mutually exclusive or not, but it's either on or off. So one or the two. So, but this is a relay, so just think of this, but instead of having to go over there, this is electronically charged and it opens and closes. So it has low voltage, which energizes the high voltage. And if the HVAC gurus would put a little schematic or give a wiring diagram in the comments on the high voltage side, sometimes this gets a little confusing because one of these are open, one of these are closed. If somebody skilled in HVAC could add this to the comments, that would be helpful to all of us, perhaps. And so if we want to test this thing, the test is we put the meter in ohms. So we go over here and we flip it to ohms. So now we're in ohms mode. Turn the light on just to get my kicks. Okay, so as one can see, it's this little horseshoe looking thing here. Now we're at OL. So if we go here and we put this here and put this, we should be reading between 70 and 80 ohms. So this should be on the low voltage side. Now we're at 76.3. Again, 76.3. 70 to 80 means it's good. So keep in mind, now we are in ohms. So we're reading resistance here in ohms. So this is turned this way to the little horseshoe thing. Okay, so we address this little low voltage, excuse me, I'm sorry, low voltage coil here. So that's been addressed. We should be between 70 and 80. We're at 73. Let's kind of get another look here. Let's see here. We're at 74.8, which is in the range of 70 to 80, which is good. Okay, so now we go to the high voltage. So we flip this up to continuity. Okay, continuity means it's a circuit. It's this little symbol here. On some meters it may be different, but it should give you a noise. You can see this for the noise here. So the arrow is pointing in this direction. We cross over this coil. We cross over this coil. We're crossing over 5 and 6. You can see the meter. It's even giving us a green light. So 5 and 6 is good. That means that should be closed. Now we go between 3 and 4. And we go between 3 and 4. And we get nothing, which is good because 3 and 4 should be open. I'm thinking if we turn this over and we look here, we've got the coil here in this fashion here. We tested this with ohms. We between 70 and 80 ohms with this coil here. Okay, the low voltage side, the 24 volts perhaps on this, but we tested this in ohms, remember. Then the top part, we flip to continuity, and so we tested this. So when we flip over here, and as we can see, the relay is closed between 5 and 6, and 2 and 4 is open. So when we touched 5 and 6, we heard it beep in continuity. And again, the continuity on the meter, on this particular meter, is here with this little symbol here. And when we touched it, we heard it go beep, beep. So then on 2 and 4 was open, we heard nothing. So this relay tests good. Between 70 and 80 ohms on the coil, good. On the 5 and 6, continuity, good, mean relay's closed. 3 and 4, relay is open. Everything is good. So this is how you test a relay. So anyway, I hope this helps. And if somebody, one of the HVAC gurus, want to add a wiring diagram on how to wire this up on the high voltage side, that would be helpful. That would be great. And so again, this one's closed and this one's open. So if an HVAC guru would like to add this to the comments, we'll definitely take a look at it. Thank you and have a great day.